This process recaptures energy that would otherwise be lost as heat and stores it back in the battery, helping you go farther on a single charge and making every drive more efficient. With every mile, you're maximizing efficiency. No wasted energy, just smart, forward-thinking engineering that makes the most of every journey. And because there's no engine oil, spark plugs, or exhaust system, EVs require far less maintenance. You can say goodbye to oil changes, exhaust repairs, and many of the headaches that come with traditional cars. For drivers, this means more time enjoying the ride and less time in the shop. Plus, the quiet cabin and smooth acceleration make every trip more relaxing and enjoyable for everyone on board. The technology behind EVs may be simple, but the impact is profound. As more electric vehicles hit the roads, cities are becoming cleaner, quieter, and more sustainable. Electric vehicles are not just efficient and reliable, they're also fun to drive, with instant power and a futuristic feel that's hard to match. That's the real magic under the hood. A blend of simplicity, innovation, and excitement that's changing the way we think about driving. Welcome to the future of driving, where clean energy, smart design, and pure driving enjoyment come together in every electric vehicle.